Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide comments on Instagram Reels. Now what I'm going to do, in order to do that, you need to create your own reel by just going ahead right here, and you're going to see story, post, and reels. So in my case, I'm going to just choose reels, and whatever video that you want to upload on your reels, just go ahead and proceed with the steps. Now, as you can see right here, if I went to my profile and clicked the reels, you're going to see I've already uploaded reels on my Instagram. Now what I'm gonna do, in order to hide comments, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the notifications, and I'm gonna just click this comment, for example. Okay, and after I click this comment, for example, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here reply and hide. So I'm gonna just click the hide right here and just click OK. Now I've already hide this comment on my Instagram Reels. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.